Welcome you to the third match of today at the Francis Agnes ground in Wasi. Government HS Panampally Kochi will be playing against Rajvar Bora High School, Guwahati. They were the city champions from Kochi and Guwahati respectively. Pleasantries, Atul Manoj from the Government Higher Secondary School, Panampally, Kochi, and Sanjeev Das, Rajvar Bora High School, Guwahati. So the referees, assistant referees are there, and two captains, Sanjeev Das and Atul. This problem is resolved, and now the kickoff. Now with the yellow jersey, as playing from left to right, is the Government Higher Secondary School. Kochi side has started attacking. Let's see Arjun. Here is Arjun, but a defender Shukleshwar Das was there. Has cleared way. Again, here is a chance for goal, and it's a goal scored by the Kochi team. It is a well-planned thing and capitalized the chances very well. So Kochi is leading by 1-0. Lovely. So now the Kochi team is going ahead with 1-0. So goal has been scored by Abhijit. Abhijit scored the goal for the Kochi team. So they have already taken the lead. Joseph onto the left flank. Calvin again headed away, and it's the second goal for Ahmed Asur. Scored. And the second goal came through Ahmed Asur. This was the second goal. So Government Higher Secondary School Kochi has already registered supremacy. They are in search of the third goal, and it's a goal! Third goal in just within a span of 5 minutes. They have scored 3 goals in a row. So that may be a big. So the third goal has been scored. Sanjay has scored the goal. So the government in from the Kochi side. Here comes Abhijit, centers. Here's a chance for goal. No, goal line save was there. Otherwise, fourth goal would have come. Rup Jyoti. Abhijit. Now, Rup Jyoti is looking a bit nervous. The earlier one, and Rup Jyoti, he faltered. A chance came, but it was a goal line save. This is the senior boys category football. Another chance for Abhijit. Fourth goal will be coming. Yes, the fourth goal has come. So the Ahmed Asur scored the goal again. So 4-0 up for the Government Higher Secondary School. The fourth goal was scored. So 4-0 up. Practically one-sided match. Again Abhijit. Abhijit scored a goal by himself and created 2 more goals. Into the attack. Stopper fullback is ready to take the challenge, and here is the whistle from the referee. Tapan goes. That brings the end of the first half's play. So at the end of the first half, the Government Higher Secondary School Kochi is leading by 4-0. in the second half, how many goals are being scored, whether the Guwahati side can come back in a big way or not. The attack for the Guwahati side being tackled by the defender, but in spite of that, Milan Das took a rear gut action. And this Milan Das, he was desperate enough to take a shot. Rakesh Das is going to take the corner kick. Rakesh, and it's a chance. No, ultimately Akash Shonu grabbed the ball well. So now let us see the action replay, how it came. There was an opportunity for the Guwahati side. Ultimately Akash Shonu gripped the ball well. Another attack from the Guwahati side. They are trying hard to a goal. Ultimately, they have been able to succeed. The great display by the Guwahati side. After conceding 4 goals, they have been able to reduce the margin. So the goal was scored by Navjit Barua. Navjit Barua. New player who came in, Debashish. Another chance. Second goal, yes. So but there's an offside flag. No, they have scored the goal. So number 8, Milan Das has scored the goal. So Milan Das scored the goal. So they have reduced the margin. You see how Milan Das has scored the goals. Here he got the chance, and right-footed punch brought him the second goal. Now the situation is changing very fast. 2 goals have been reduced by the Guwahati side through their spirited display. Not do, so they went for the attack. Here is the chance for the 5th goal. Let's see. 5th goal is scored. So 5th goal is scored. So 5-2 is the score. So ultimately the 5th goal has come for the Government Higher Secondary School. Action replay. You see, brilliant movement down the right, and square pass came to the player, and he immediately puts the ball in. So another goal by Ashwin. So result is another chance for the 6th goal. Yes, 6 goals has come. So ultimately 6 goal has been scored by others. Others has been working tirelessly, and they got a goal. The brilliant goal by others. The angular shot had given no chance to the goalkeeper, Roop Jyoti Das. So in the second half, they have increased them.